Bless up, people. So I'm here under this banana plant, and as you can see, we got a lot here, but I'm trying to show you a little bit and teach you a little bit about bananas. All right, so this is the Manana Blossom, okay? And this essentially, when the leaves peel back, you'll see the banana flowers, and those flowers make the fruit. And this vine just continues to grow, and as it continues to grow, it produces more and more bananas. So this is telling you that no more bananas are coming out, because nothing's coming, none of the flowers are coming out here. So these Burro bananas are ready to be taken. All right, so we're gonna clip these in just a second, but I wanna show you something else real quick. So this is the leaf that comes off of this, all right? And we use everything on a banana tree, all right? So we can use this as a bowl. We can take these banana leaves, heat them up, and use them sort of as a plate as well too. And so you can even use the stalk of the tree here. So after this, so now that this banana plant has blossomed, we got the fruit from it, it is done for the year. We have to cut it down, all right? And once we cut it down, at the stalk of it, you could actually break the stalk apart, get the centerpiece of the stalk that you see here, right here. So this is the stalk of it. Peel it back, get that centerpiece. That's actually edible as well too. So we talked about the fruit. We know these are edible because these are the Burro banana. We talked about the blossom, okay? Now what I want to show you really quick up here is that is another one that is about to blossom, okay? Now the cool thing you'll see is you'll see a hand of bananas up further up from the actual banana blossom, the red leaves, okay? You see more coming out, and it's just gonna continue to do that. Now, when you look closer at the actual banana flowers, you'll notice that they have a little bulb at the end. Well, that's the ovary, okay? And that ovary is telling us that this is essentially a female flower, okay? Waiting to be pollinated so it can actually create the fruit, all right? And the fruit of life, essentially, all right? So that's the beautiful thing. You get to see multiple stages here, all right? So I hope you have sort of enjoyed this. Let me show you one thing, though. All right, so if we peel one of these, I'm gonna try to get one of these leaves peeled back, okay? Because I want you to see the process. Man, nature is so beautiful. All right, you see that? Those are the banana flowers. These become bananas at some point. So when you look at this hand of bananas up here, these Burro bananas, they essentially started from this. These leaves peeled back, created this hand of bananas, okay? And then it grew to this point. All right, so let's cut this down. Let me grab the machete, the chopper. Have it right there. Look how beautiful that is. Flower at the end there. So now you know the whole stage of how bananas become. Again, we have to cut this whole entire stalk down to the ground here. All right, we got to cut that whole entire thing down because it will not fruit again. All right, but that's banana life, baby, here on Sankofa Tropical Farms. Get you some. Thanks for watching this video, but be sure to check the next video out that's right here. But everything I talk about is how do we take a holistic and natural approach to healing other than a man-made approach? And also, how do we prevent dis-ease in the body as well too? Because, you know, they say